A little toasty out there today.
Definitely need that air conditioner on.
Oh my goodness.
On high.
Yes.
At least for me.
Right, well, even if you had your fan going, still on the muggy side, so you can't get rid of that. But we might have a little bit of relief coming up in the forecast. A little something for everyone over the next 7 days. High temperatures today reached the upper 80s, 88 degrees in Fargo, 88 in Grand Forks. There were a couple of pockets where we did get to 90 the high in Devil's Lake, and 95 in Langdon. That was certainly the hot spot out there. Tonight, looking rather quiet. Temperatures pretty comfortable, 76 degrees currently in Fargo. A dew point of 68, so it's up there. When we get close to that 70-degree mark on the dew point, that means that we've got a lot of moisture in the air. And wind out of the south-southeast at 18 miles per hour. The winds picked up tonight, too, gusting to 24 in Fargo. 73 degrees in the Moorhead area, 76 in Fargo and in Grand Forks. We're at 77 in Devil's Lake and in Langdon. And over into Minnesota, some low 70s there. A bunch of 72s showing up in Lakes Country. So a warm day to hit the lakes today and a warm night out there tonight. So here's a look at our wind. We've got wind generally coming in out of the south, and we have wind speeds gusting again into the 20s in a couple of places, otherwise just in the teens right now. And out west looking like it's quieting down there. A wide view of our radar satellite composite shows we've been enjoying some sunshine today. It was another one of those days, though, where we had that haze, that smoke from the wildfires in the northwestern part of the U.S. filtering out that sunshine. A few passing clouds, too, over the last few hours, but you may notice more clouds and some rain and thunder showers moving into parts of the western Dakotas. That's associated with the system that's going to be passing through tonight. With it, we'll have a cold front move through, but we won't be seeing much in the way of cooler air behind this, just slightly, and a wind shift. And in addition to that, a couple of places as these rain showers and thunder showers drift northward that may be impacted here. We want to take a look out to way out in the Pacific Ocean to show you the Hawaiian Islands here. There's Honolulu. We have 3 different major hurricanes that the islands are trying to dodge. That's a big story going on right now. This hurricane right here, Ignacio, looks like it's going to be missing the Honolulu area, fortunately, moving to the north there. But that's where the big storm systems are for tonight out in the Pacific. Right now looking quiet. We've got conditions that are going to be on the warm side overnight tonight. And as that cold front approaches, so will our chances for storms increase. North and west, some cloud cover over into the Devil's Lake Basin tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. And in addition to that, those storms that we saw in western parts of South Dakota will have drifted northward. If they can hold together, they'll be bringing some rain and perhaps even some thunder showers to parts of Devil's Lake. The rest of us still looking rather quiet. Wind still out of the south, at times gusting into the 20s. And as we move ahead into the later morning hours, 9 a.m., this whole system drifts eastward, and we may be getting some showers and even a thunder shower or two in north central parts of our viewing area over into northwest Minnesota. Temperatures very warm to start off in the low 70s in a lot of spots. Cold front passes through. Not a lot of rain or thunder showers being touched off by this, but we could see again an isolated 1 or 2 during the day tomorrow. Otherwise looking mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures rising once again, but not as hot as today. We'll scale back a few degrees behind that cold front. 85 in Fargo, 82 in Grand Forks, much cooler up to Devil's Lake at 79. That wind shifts to a more westerly direction out of the west, and we could be seeing a couple of wind gusts into the teens and 20s, but eventually things start to quiet down later tomorrow evening. Beautiful sunset the other night, looking very orange thanks to that smoke in the air. 85 degrees the high tomorrow. For Tuesday, a high of 89 degrees. We've got some warmer air moving in for us. More 90s on the way, so summer still holding on Wednesday and into Thursday. But you notice a lot of thunder clouds showing up on that end of the 7-day planner. Not looking good for the holiday weekend. I know a lot of people want to get out to the lake for Labor Day weekend. Right now it looks like we have a good shot at seeing some storms, at least one day. Perhaps we can get in some nice weather in between.